Regenerates cells while restoring skin's elasticity. After 4 weeks, skin's appearance is improved. Designed to deliver ingredients into the skin's surface. Non-Greasy and Fast-Absorbing. For smooth skin. Olay Regenerist Regenerating Serum hydrates to smooth and brighten skin. Supercharged with skin-plumping Amino-Peptide Complex II, this lightweight firming serum visibly smooths and diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. In 2 weeks, skin renewal rate is improved for wrinkle results you can really see. Olay Regenerist Regenerating Serum's fast-penetrating formula is a silky, ultra-lightweight gel serum that regenerates surface cells while restoring skin's elasticity with plumping hydration. Infused with Olay's Amino-Peptide Complex II, this formula is designed to deliver moisturizing ingredients 10 layers deep into the skin surface. After just 4 weeks, skin's appearance is firmer. The appearance of fine lines and wrinkles are also improved. Non-greasy and fast-absorbing, it's the perfect addition to your everyday beauty routine for hydration to achieve firmer, younger-looking skin. Top reviews from the United States. Sunscreen unlike sunscreen. Multiple sunscreens have made me break out in hives. This one doesn't. And, it has all the benefits that Olay moisturizers offer. Bonus. Next to no scent. Only the cat knows it's on my fingertips.